everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening two things. We're opening both the My Paper Box Mini for July 2019 as well as the Grand Box. So I did this last month. I combined the two boxes into one video and it seemed like the majority of you said I should keep doing this so you can kind of compare the two subscriptions. So the mini box is $10 a month and the grand is $28. I do have a code to save you $10 on the grand subscription. I will leave that down below along with the link to their website. So what is My Paper Box? If you're unfamiliar or have not seen me open this before, it is a personalized stationery subscription. The My Paper Box Mini comes with 3 personalized notepads, and then the grand subscription comes with a whole variety of things. So we'll see in just a moment what we got for July, but let's start with the mini subscription. Again, this one is $10. So the notepads are wrapped up in this tissue paper. And then here is what I see inside. So a cool thing about My Paper Box is they offer monthly or bi-monthly subscription plans. I think you can also make some one-time purchases on their website. So if you're like overloaded with your notepads or whatever, you can do it every other month, which is super awesome. I love when subscription boxes offer a variety of plans. So let's see, there's a note on top of here. It says, July is here. This month, let's reflect on you. Included is a blank notepad for everyday use, a daily journal notepad, and your own top 10. The top 10 notepad can be used for a variety of things. Here are some ideas. Top 10 things you did today, top 10 favorite shows right now, top 10 future project ideas, top 10 favorite foods, and it goes on and on. So I love that they gave us some ideas to use our notepads. This is the first they included this. I love that. And I love the colors of the notepads. So here's one of the top 10. This is awesome. I'm planning to do, I don't even know if I should say this, but like a collaboration where we talk about favorite boxes maybe, and I can use this to kind of sort through it, but that's coming later on. But this is so cute. And then it says, let's stay home, kitty, on the next one. I love the blue color, super cute. So you can use this for whatever. Oh, and the daily journal, I love this one. This is my favorite. So it says like the days of the week on the top. And then on the bottom, or like throughout it, it says 5 things I'm grateful for, today's highlights, today's thoughts, how to make tomorrow better. I love stuff like this. Can you guys see all of that? This is great. I love this. I think practicing gratitude is so important, and this will be a reminder. So I might start this like during the day, like in the morning, and then I can finish it at nighttime. So I am so grateful to get this. Awesome. So those are the 3 notepads for the mini box for July. Now let's break into the July grand subscription box. And this box is even personalized on the outside. So you can see it says Kitty's Paper Box on it. So let's see what's inside. So inside it says, don't quit your daydream. I love that. I have a mug that says that actually that they got from Target a while ago. I love it. There's some cute tissue paper and it says, welcome to July, Kitty. It says, we are updating our monthly calendars. Included in your box is a frame made just for you to set up your monthly calendar. If for any reason your frame comes to you broken, please let us know so we can send you another one. Awesome. And that says, what's happening in July? I love that they started doing this a few months ago. So it tells you a bunch of different days and what the holidays are and all of that. So what is today? The 10th, I think? Is anything today? Okay, so nothing today. Oh man, yesterday, July 9th was Sugar Cookie Day. Yum. So July 12th is Simplicity Day. And then underneath the holidays, it'll tell you like how to celebrate. So for Simplicity Day, it says, take a vow of simplicity. Cut out unimportant things in your life. That's a good idea, always. July 13th, Embrace Your Geekness Day. July 17th is World Emoji Day. And it just goes on and on. There's so many different days, and I love how they give you ideas to celebrate, and I just think this is so cute. I love celebrating the little things in life, and like those little random holidays that are every day, I think are great. Oh, here are some gorgeous stickers. Oh my god, these seem like good quality too, and they say like kitty on them. There's like some flowers. I love these. I love the colors of them too. This is so cute. Alright, so here is the calendar. I like this better, I think. I'll pull out the frame in a moment, but this says my name, Kitty, that's pretty much on everything, the calendar for the month, and then all of those holidays listed below. So let's get that frame out and see how that works. Oh my god, it's like a legit frame. This is so cute. It says Kitty, My Paper Box Monthly Calendar Frame. I love this box, you guys. This is so sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put mine in here. So there we go. I like this. This is so cute. I really like how this looks, and I love that we can reuse this every month. This is adorable. And we'll have to set this right back there. All right, and then it looks like here's some cards that says for different holidays. It looks like little postcards actually. So the first one says Happy National Workaholics Day to someone who won't find the time to celebrate. Aunts and uncles, like your parents, only cooler. Happy Aunts and Uncles Day. And then I'm so glad we don't have to say out loud that I'm your favorite cousin. And then we have a notepad, says plans, goals, and remember. I use these types of things every day, so always happy to have more. And there's another one actually. It says the same thing, but it's a little different pattern. And then we have two cards here that say happy, happy, happy. And then, well, here, let me show you the front first. Here's the first one. Here is the second. And on the back it says a little card just for you from Kitty. Let's take one of these out and see if there's anything on the inside. And of course they come with envelopes. Oh, there's multiple in here. So I think there's 4 total, because there's another one in the back. So again, it says happy, 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 and the inside is blank, so you can use this for whatever you want. So these are great. You can use them for birthdays, really anything, because usually when you send a card, I mean most of the time it's for a happy occasion, so that's nice to have. And then last but not least, it looks like we have 2 like little markers or pens. Here, one's green and one's orange. Let's see. So it is a marker tip, so let's see, plans, film, that's what I'm doing today. Yep, just a green marker, great to have. I like that they include that so we can use it with the stuff we got in our box. So I think this was a great month again. I always am happy when I open this box. It's so fun. You've got a lot of useful things. I love having cards. I've got like a little stockpile now for whenever I need one, so that is great. I love that they started including that frame. I think that is so adorable. I think this is just a great box. If you're really into stationery and stuff like that, definitely check it out and use that code if you are interested and save some money. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!